Hey everyone, Foxden TCG here. Welcome to the den. Today I'm going to be opening up the Tsareena EX Premium Collection Box from Walmart they just released. Let's get started. Alright, so you get the cool promo card, Boon Suite. Super cool. I love that hollow foil pattern on these. You also get the Tsareena EX card. Get these are really cool. I dig them. The Pokeball card sleeves. And then you get this. This is for Tsareena. You get 6 packs, you have 2 Paradox, looks like 2 Twilight, and 2 Temporal Forces. Let's get started with Paradox. Pretty much have my Paradox completed, besides some of the, I do not have Tapu Koko. I was just saying I was missing a few. This is one I'm missing. Sweet. I'll take that. Temporal. The card's bent. An ace spec, that's pretty cool. We'll take that. Twilight. Maybe we'll go crazy, pull the Greninja. So I got this from Walmart. They were 20 bucks for the Premium Collection Box. Pretty decent deal, actually. Ooh, man, we're not, three. Oh, no way. Oh my God, that is insane. Wow, double banger, and it's the Greninja EX. That is, wow. Okay, well, we'll take that one. Well, as always, guys, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to that like button. Follow and subscribe for more. Until next time, stay sharp, keep collecting, and we'll see you in the den. Take care.